Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer files from a OneDrive account to another account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop in my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your taskbar pinned apps. So if you find File Explorer right here, go ahead and click on it. Or if you don't find it, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you open File Explorer, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery. Right here, you're going to find OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, Documents, and so on. So right now, go ahead and click on OneDrive, then right click on it, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it. Here you can expand it, open in a new tab, open in a new window, pin to quick access, and so on. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to always keep on this device. Here you're going to find the option to free up space, and here you're going to find OneDrive settings. Click on it, and then here you're going to find view online, settings, and folder cutter. Click on view online, and then you're going to be right here in OneDrive. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, here you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find my files, recent, photos, shared, and right here, you're going to find your recycle bin. So basically, guys, right now, go to your files, and then, for example, if you want to share these files, go ahead and select them all by clicking right here, and then you're going to be able to select all. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on the share option right here. Then, as you can see, guys, right here, you can share these files from this account to another account. So right here, just add a name, group, or an email address. So for example, you can add the email address for the other account. For example, I'm going to type an email, example at gmail.com. Then it will appear like this. So just click on the email address you want to send it to. Then go ahead and you can add the message if you want. Then you can send it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.